Clever Fox Meal Planner will help you not only plan your weekly meals in detail, but also form new healthy habits and achieve your diet and wellness goals. This weekly meal journal is non-dated and lasts 12 full months, so you can start using it anytime and take a break if needed. Every weekly spread has a spacious weekly menu and a shopping list, so you can create a detailed meal plan for the week and make sure you have everything you need at hand. Planning your meals in advance, you can be assured of eating tasty, nutritious, and fresh food every single day. We also added a weekly priorities section and a healthy habit tracker to help you get the most out of your weekly planning. On the first day of using the planner, fill out the first page to record your starting measurements and your final goal. Come up with a reward you will get if you achieve your goal. This will help you stay motivated and continue improving day by day. Treat yourself to something you always wanted. Answer the questions on the next page to clearly define your goal and the path towards it. Use the exercise plan and exercise calendar pages to plan your exercise routine. It is extremely important to stay physically active. At the beginning of each month, fill out a monthly calendar to never miss an important engagement. State your monthly goals and things you can do to improve. When the month comes to an end, use the monthly review spread to analyze your progress and build motivation for the next month. At the back of the planner, you will also find a measurements tracker, a nutritional table to fill in with your favorite foods, and plenty of empty dotted pages for notes. Finally, at the end of 12 months, you can fill out the year-end review and see if you have achieved your goal. This review will help you analyze the changes you have made and the lessons you have learned in the past year. And if you have succeeded, it is the perfect time to reward yourself. This meal planner comes in a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. The cover is made of high-quality, soft-touch vegan leather. We used premium 120 GSM no-bleed paper for the pages. The planner also has an elastic closure, a pen holder, 3 ribbon bookmarks, an expandable pocket at the back, 3 sheets of stickers, and a detailed user guide. Because this meal planner is undated, all 12 monthly sections are in the front, followed by 53 weekly spreads. Whatever your goal, whether you just want to focus a bit more on eating healthy or fully transform your approach to nutrition and well-being, Clever Fox Meal Planner will be your helpful companion and daily motivator. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.